Hello everyone, welcome to Tool Junkie. When it comes to buying the right tools, there's a lot to look out for. That's why today we're going to review the 5 best models for you. And we've ranked them by many different factors such as product features, price, performance, and more. Make sure to check the product links in the description for more information. Let's get started with the video.
Here we present the 5 best oscilloscope kit. Let's get started with the list. Number 1. Kuman DSO 138 DIY Kit Oscilloscope Kit. Kuman DSO 138 is one of the most useful DIY oscilloscope kit product in the market with its unique open source feature. With this feature, the user can add on more features according to their wish. This is the topmost product of our list. It has pre-soldered SMD parts. It also acts as a training kit of SMD soldering. The MCU does not need any programming as they are already done so. It needs a supply of 9 volts DC, which is to be provided externally and not provided in the kit. Number 2. AUKUYEE Quimat Pocket-Sized Digital Oscilloscope Kit. Next on our list is the Quimat Pocket-Sized Digital Oscilloscope Kit. This kit is entirely also a DIY one and is partially open source, unlike the fully open sourced Kuman DSO mentioned earlier. Though DIY, the kit arrives in a pre-assembled state welded with all the components. All you need to do is to assemble the protective casing over it and then you can use it. Simple and inexpensive, the kit, though partially open sourced, has its MCU fully programmed. You can adjust the vertical displacement, use it for various other features as well. Number 3. Kuman JYE Tech DSO Shell Oscilloscope DIY Kit. Kuman DSO Shell Oscilloscope DIY Kit is another feature-packed oscilloscope in the market. It performs all basic functions but in an advanced form. The sensitivity is from 5 mV, DIV, 20 volts, DIV higher and wider, which is extended in both directions. It avoids inter-board pin headers by mounting the display and MCU in the motherboard. The analog part is placed on a separate board, which helps in proper separation of digital and analog circuit. Number 4. JYE DSO 138 Digital Oscilloscope Kit. The DSO 138 comes to our list as it has all the basic features to train you to expert level. It is a pocket-sized device which shows waveforms in the digital 2.4-inch TFT screen. It shows the peak-to-peak, max-min, average, pulse width, frequency, period, etc. As a secondary development, it can be changed to millivoltmeter data loggers. It can be directly connected to the DSO 138 motherboard to make it a portable one for use. Number 5. JYE DSO 138 DIY Oscilloscope Kit, 13801K Open Source. JYE has brought a useful digital oscilloscope to the market. This product is used mostly as a training kit and does not have any advanced feature. It has a core of Cortex-M3 ARM processor, STM32F103C8 from Saint. All the SMD parts are soldered beforehand. The MCU does not require re-equals programming as it is already being programmed. It has 2 channels.
We have included the product links in the description below for more details. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.